Hi everyone, so today we're going to talk about reference angles. Now, a reference angle is actually an acute angle, so you know that that's less than 90 degrees, and it's actually formed by the terminal side of the angle and the x-axis. Now, reference angles are always going to be positive, and they are denoted with our little theta symbol and our little prime. So reference angles you can actually use for future questions like evaluating trig functions, and they will help you to determine where the angle is going to be. Now here we're going to draw our angle first, and then we're going to go ahead and draw the reference angle. So 135 degrees, we start here at our initial side, and we're going all the way to quadrant number 2. So there is 135 degrees, and the reference angle is this angle right here. So our closest x-axis is 180. So 180 minus 135, our reference angle is going to be 45 degrees. Now here you have negative 140, so again we're starting at the 0, and then we're going to go down and around when we count for negative angles, and we are going right in about quadrant 3, so here is theta. Our closest x-axis is here at negative 180, so the difference between negative 180 and negative 140 is our reference angle, and that's going to be 40 degrees. So remember that your reference angles are always going to be positive. Okay, here we have 295, so we're going to start here, and 295, we're going to go past 180, 170, 295 is going to be right around here. So here is our angle, and our closest x-axis is going to be this, and our closest x-axis is that 360, so 360 minus 295. Our reference angle is going to be 65 degrees. Here we have 4 pi over 3. Now 4 pi over 3 is actually going to be in quadrant number 3. So here's 4 pi over 3. Our closest x-axis is right here. So this is our reference angle. Now our closest x-axis, this is actually going to be pi, which is the same thing as 3 pi over 3. So the difference between 4 pi over 3 and 3 pi over 3, our reference angle is going to be pi over 3. Okay, so our next angle is 520, so you actually went one full rotation around, that's 360 degrees. So if I subtract, I could easily find where my angle is going to be. So 160, we know right about here. So there is our 160 degrees. Your reference angle is this angle right here. Closest x-axis is 180. So my reference angle is going to be 20 degrees. Okay, so now we have negative 5 pi over 4. A negative 5 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, this is negative 5 pi over 4, down and around again. Closest x-axis is our negative 4 pi over 4, or negative pi. So that difference, our reference angle is going to be pi over 4. Now, let's say you weren't sure where you would have negative 5 pi over 4. The thing that you can look at is that you could actually go to the positive 5 pi over 4. And when you figure out where positive 5 pi over 4, you can flip over the x-axis, and that'll get you the negative angle. So if you're not sure where that negative angle is, right, you can use this little method to help you. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future notifications on other pre-calculus videos. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.